Please come. Are you announcing the names? Great.
All right, so can I have Mr. Somnath B. Darade?
क्या बात?
सीना और चौड़ा हो गया तंबाकू छोड़ के।
सोमनाथ जी, आप ज्यादा खुश हैं कि आपकी वाइफ ज्यादा खुश होगी?
मिस्टर बाबू थोराट, मिस्टर अनिल भोसले, मिस्टर विजय बनन चौहान, मिस्टर प्रहलाद मदमे,
Thank you so much, Dilip Bhai. Thank you to all our heroes. Please have a great holiday and continue being an inspiration to all people, not just Maharashtra police, but police across India and the world. Thank you so much. I'd like to ask our beautiful, very big supporter here. Neetu has been there for the longest time. She's there at every event. I'd like to request Neetu to say a few words about what she thinks about what's happened today. And she has some very interesting personal insights also. We were having a chat just a few minutes earlier and I said, ये बहुत interesting है. इससे बहुत सारे young handsome single लोग शायद प्रेरित होंगे. इसीलिए Neetu here. Hand over to you.
Thank you, Vivek. Hello everyone, namaste. बहुत बहुत खुशी है आज जो यहाँ हो रहा है और ये 5 जो हमारे brave लोग हैं और उन्होंने नो टोबैको को अपनाया है. Thank you Sapru ji for having me. Thank you CPA for this association. I have cherished every moment I have stood here. So I'm very happy that I'm meeting Salim Sulaiman again, Mr. Mathur again, Mr. Amol. I'm very glad that हमेशा सब लोग एक साथ इकट्ठा होते हैं और हम यहीं पे मिलते हैं. So coming back to the point was that please आप लोग support में हमेशा खड़े रहें क्योंकि एक ऐसी चीजें शायद आप दूसरों के लिए नहीं अपने लिए कर रहे हैं और आपको अच्छा लगेगा करने में. I was just telling Vivek and everyone that I don't think I can have a boyfriend whom I can kiss and he's a smoker and that's why I am single because जो अच्छे लड़के हैं उनकी शादी हो चुकी है और 2 बच्चों के बाप भी हो चुके हैं. तो So there, and I'm very, very serious about the fact, not the other one, the first one, that I really fail to find a guy who is a non-smoker. Generally, they're like, "Arey, occasionally hum pee lete hain." When you start really meeting them, is that okay? Occasionally means thrice a week, and then it becomes 4 times, and then 5 times, and then I'm like, "Let me be single. I'm happy this way." But I'm really happy and very proud of the fact that I'm a non-smoker, non-drinker, and I stand with CPA with this. Proud.
Thank you, Neetu. You've always stood by us, and that's a very important message to all the single men out there who are smokers and non-smokers. Non-smokers, you know what to do. Smokers, better quit now, man. There are many beautiful girls like her who are single and not picking you just because you're a smoker.
I would like to pick up this opportunity right here, and we have this youth here with us. Who amongst you all would like to come and support this cause, would like to quit if you are smoking or you do use tobacco products? Who amongst you all would be doing that?
Yeah, you can't have a more beautiful inspiration. Come on.
You just can't get better than that.
And you can propose me right away. See, यही होता मेरे साथ हर बार. देख लो.
Come on, guys. Anybody wants to quit smoking? Come and pledge today. अजिंक्य कौन है? अजिंक्य किधर है?
अजिंक्य कौन है सुनो?
चलो ठीक है. I will expect this to happen. कौन है ये अजिंक्य?
All right, so we move ahead.
Thank you
Ashok,
so much.
I'd also like to ask our huge pillars of support, Salim Sulaiman, who've been not only contributing with their phenomenal talent, their music, they are there at every one of our functions. They're also there at, each one of the concerts that we do. They help us do so much in terms of both fighting cancer, raising awareness, inspiring the youth to stay away from bad habits like tobacco. So I'd like to acknowledge them. Thank you for being here. Would you like to say something, especially to our people?
Good evening, good afternoon actually everybody. This is, for us it's been a privilege and an honor to be able to perform for the CPA. Our very, very first concert that we ever went on stage for was for the Cancer Patients Association back in 2010. And ever since then, this is our third time that we're performing tomorrow. And every time that we do this, thank you. Every time that we come on stage to perform for the Cancer Patients Association, we do it with a lot of pride and a lot of honor. Cancer has been one of the biggest causes of grief and concern in all our family, especially our family. My mom passed away because of cancer. There's a lot of death in the family because of cancer, and we strongly believe that through mutual support, through people supporting it, we can find a solution, or at least help people who are affected by it. Thank you very much for supporting this association, and I hope to see you all tomorrow.
I'm going to make it very short because obviously there's a lot going on tonight, this afternoon, and I'll just say one thing that कई लोग शायद आप में ये नहीं जानते कि कैंसर टोबैको के जो सेकेंड जो इनहेल करते हैं, एज इन जो लोग स्मोक नहीं करते बट जो लोग सेम रूम में सेकेंड हैंड स्मोकिंग का शिकार बनते हैं, उनके लिए भी उतना ही हानिकारक है टोबैको का ये जो स्मोक है. और सो आई वुड से दैट इफ you're a non-smoker and if you're with a smoker, firstly, for your safety and for your health, get out of that and then tell the person to quit smoking, or at least not smoke in a closed environment, because if you're in that room, you are more likely to also suffer. So please, जिसको हम कुछ लोगों की आदतें बुरी होती है and we can't stop them from smoking because of course it's a process, लेकिन आप at least वहां से निकल सकते हो, because when you're inhaling that smoke, it's equally dangerous to you. And of course, ये बहुत कमाल का movement है with CPA to say no to tobacco. I hope one day we can find a movement to find the cure for cancer, because I believe there is a cure for cancer, but maybe the pharma industries will not be able to bring it out. Now this is a controversial subject. I don't want to talk about it much, but it's a thing to think about, because man has been on the moon and we still haven't found a cure for cancer. I believe there is a cure for cancer, and if everyone comes and raises a voice for the pharma industry to bring out the cure, it can happen.
Thank you so much. That was Mr. Salim Merchant from Mayhem Tech Edge Solutions. Can I request all of you who are here present here for a standing ovation to all these 5 policemen who have taken up the step and the courage. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियों से जरा एक बार फिर उनकी हौसला अफजाई हो. Congratulations and thank you so much. Thank you so very much for being here with us. This year the theme for World No Tobacco Day is tobacco threat to development. The campaign will demonstrate the threats that the tobacco industry poses to the sustainable development of all countries. CPA and Bank of Baroda, along with WHO and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, has worked out various programs. Austin, right next to me too. May I request Ms. Neetu Chandra to please do the honors? May I request Dr. P.C. Gupta, whose invaluable contribution has taken CPAA to a greater heights and who has always been a great pillar of strength. May I call Mr. Ajay Mehta, someone who supports the cause unconditionally and never takes the credit for the same. Dr. P.C. Gupta.